Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. So today class 5 students, they are going to learn about the place value of large numbers, and these large numbers specifically up to billions. So here is the number. Let's see that number. That is 12,345. This is the standard form of the number, and you usually see this number on your cell phones, on your laptops, on your books, and in your copies when the teacher is supposed to tell you that to write these numbers on your notebooks. So this is the most common way of representing a number. There is another way of showing a number, that is the word form. This is 12,345. This is also called a written form of the number. The third form of the number is representing a number as expanded form, which is also called expanded notation. In this form, each digit is telling its value. Just like 1 is at the 10,000th place, so it has the value 10,000. Move towards 2, it has the worth of 2,000. Number 3, it is at the 100th place, so it has a value 300. 4 is at the 10th place and it has a value 40. 5 is at the 1st place, so it has value 5. When you add up all these numbers, you get the number 12,345, which is shown with a proper space, or you can say by using a comma sign in between the numbers. Let's move towards showing the numbers in a modular way, in which we use models to represent a number. This is also one way of representing a number. Let's take this number 1,345. So for showing the 1,000, we have used these 1,000 picture, then 300 flats, and 440 bars, 5 ones. So all together they are showing you the models for 1,345. It's easy to show the models for tens, hundreds, and thousands, but when you move towards millions and billions, so it's a bit harder to show these modular forms in a physical way. So for that specific, we are going to learn about the different ways of representing a number. So you're going to learn about read, write, and say. These are the forms which you're going to use to represent a large number. Let's take a number. Look at the standard form of that number. This number is 631,309. Move towards its word form, that you are going to write all this number in the word form, that is 631,309. Expanded form of the numbers. Now this number 631,309. So we are going to show the value of each digit in this. 6 is at the 100th place, 100,000th place, so this is 600,000. 30,000, 3. 1,000, 1 is at the 1,000th place, 300, no tens, and 9 ones. So just add up all these numbers, you get the number 631,309. Look at the tens place of this number. That is 0 at the tens place. So that's why when we move towards the expanded form of it, we skip the tens place. There is no digit at the tens place. You can use a single 0 in the tens place if you want, otherwise there is no need to use that. Let's move towards another number, and we are going to check now the places and their values. So here is the number 435,671. Look at the 1. It's at the 1's place, so it has a value 1. Like it's 7. 7 is at the 10th place, so it will have a value 70. 6 100th place, so 600. 5 is at the 1000th place, so it has a worth of 5,000. So you can see 3 is at the 10,000s place, so it has a value 30,000. 4 is at the 100,000 place, so 4 will have 400,000 worth. So you have to be clear about the difference between the place and its value. Place is showing in the period, ones, tens and hundreds, and value is a specific value of that digit in the number. Let's move towards another big number up to billions. So we are going to check this number. So just have a look. This is 4,911,632,801. Look at its standard form, its written form, and its expanded form. Just have a look in its expanded form. You can see a lot of zeros whenever you're dealing with big numbers, so definitely there are going to be use of more zeros. So you have to be careful about putting the zeros in their proper place. Comma is showing the period like ones, thousands, millions and billions. You can use a proper space for showing this period instead of comma. So it's up to you. You're using comma or just a space between the numbers. So let's move towards another number, and now we are going to use this number just to answer some short questions. Like these questions can help you out in your objective, your MCQs. So this is a very important question just to know the difference between the value and the place. Here is the number 3,724,912,600. So let's see what is the value of 4. 4 is at the millions place. So value of 4 will be 4 million. What place is the 7 in? 7, you can see 7 is at the 100 millions place. So the place of the 7 is 100 million. What is the value of 6 in this place value chart? So as you can see, 6 is at the hundreds place. So the value of 6 is going to be 600. Last, what place is the 3 in? Just have a look on 3, that is 3 in the billions place. So 3 is at the billions place. So hope you have learned the concept of place value and reading and writing of numbers in different